Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to make a glowing ink spell effect on portraits in Photoshop. Open your portrait and duplicate the layer. Use select subject to isolate the model and import an ink splash PNG and position it near the face. Set its blend mode to screen or lighting for blending. Now use mask to merge it smoothly with skin. Now add multiple ink splashes with different colors. Apply hue saturation to adjust tone harmony. Add outer glow to make ink edges luminous. Use soft brush to paint subtle drips from the splash. Add reflections or highlights where ink meets the skin. Enhance overlay